Hello guys, welcome back to Aditya Financial Insight. In this video, we are talking about a WURK. WURK, you can see the guy in a single day, 967% growth, but it's too dangerous. If you want to invest and trade in crypto market, you need to proper financial advisory for the safety of your money. And I will details about the 24-hour activity. You can see 53% buyer and 47% sell. That means neutral at point. Its volume 2.03 million and age 27 day, market cap 1.09 million, fully diluted market cap 1.09 million, full liquidity 147k and circulator supply 1 billion work. The guy you can see in 24 hour above 1000% increase. So I hope this is very dangerous. So thank you guys. Later video information you can connect with Aditya Financial. This is my crypto partner UVX. My invitation code UMXAHKHXKY. And if you want to join with this code, you will get more and more bonus and more offer. And this is my second crypto partner BYET. My invitation code 143791. And if you want to join with my invitation code, you will go to $100 for the trading and invest here. So thank you guys. Later video information you can connect with Aditya Financial Insight. Hit the bell icon for latest update. Thank you.